This is a bad one. Oh. It's taking my breath. Oh. It's taking my breath. Oh. I think it's nearly finished. No, it's not finished. Oh. Was it finished? No. Oh, this one is painful. I'm frightening because I'm losing I can't catch my breath when I'm sneezing. It's just like a convulsion. It goes one sneeze into another. It's crazy. Oh. Anyway, today is the 1st of December and it's the first day. It's freezing. They've salted all the roads. All the roads have got salt on. The autumn leaves are crispy when you walk on them. The ground's beginning to harden a little bit because it's so cold. The cars are freezing up. And I've been cold all day as well. Even with the heating full on and a fleece around my shoulders, I've been cold. Anyway, folks, it looks like it's finished. And have a great weekend, all. Love you all. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Facebook. Whatever you want.